Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to what has to be day number 1. Yes, day number 1. Can you believe it? Week 16, day number 1, week 16, spring 2025 of our journey together, and it's definitely a delight. It's certainly a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. All right. So let me go ahead and add up. So my name is Mr. Petit. Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Monday. Yeah, Monday. Monday the 21st of April, 2025. The subject is, of course, mathematics. All right, and we're going to look at section 1. Section number 1, converting percentages. Converting percentages. All right, so let's go. Question says complete. Complete the chart. Reduce fractions and ratios to simplest or two lowest terms. So complete the chart, and we want to reduce the fractions and ratios to the lowest terms. That's what we want to do today. All right, so there's the chart. My chart is going to be like this. Let me go ahead and have my table ready. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows.
May I get my ruler, please?
1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Yes, you can. 4 rows and 4 columns. And so let's say we have for this one, let's say we have percent. Let's say for this one we have fraction. Let's say we have for this one decimal. Decimal. And let's say we have for this one ratio. So percent, fraction, and ratio, decimal and ratio.
I'm back.
All right, good.
I saw something like this on my Glat.
Really? Okay, that's good. So for this one, let's say for the percentage, I have, let's say for the percentage, I have 58%.
But it was labeling.
Good afternoon,
Mr. Petit.
Good afternoon, Seth.
Yes.
So let's say we have 58%. Turn your camera, Carrie, can turn your camera, Seth. Let's say for this one, we have 9%. Okay. So for this one, we have 58%. For this one, we have 9%. And let's say for this one, we have 25%. So we have 58%, 9%, and 25%. We have fraction, decimal, and ratio. All right. All right. Seth, I want to take this percentage, right? And I want to express it as a fraction. How am I going to do that? I want to take this percentage and I want to express it as a fraction. How am I going to do that, Seth?
You gotta do 58 over 100.
Very good. So we're going to say 58 all over 100. So I have 58 over 100. But class, am I done with this fraction? Am I done with this fraction yet, class? I have 58 over 100. I took 58%. I changed into fraction, right? 58%, I changed into a fraction. Am I done with this fraction as yet? Is it in lowest terms as yet? Anyone?
That can simplify.
You tell me that I could simplify?
Well, I'm not sure because I didn't do this.
You're not sure? Okay. Seth, can this fraction 58 over 100, can it be simplified?
Uh,
Can we reduce it?
yeah.
Why you say we could reduce it?
Pardon me?
Why did you say that we could reduce it? It's 58 over 100. Why do you think we could reduce it? You don't know?
Can I answer?
Yeah.
Not you, Najara, someone else. It's 58 and 100. What number can go into 58 and 100 without leaving a remainder?
2.
Why you say 2?
Because I was saying something like 50, 52, 54, 56, or 58.
Okay, very good. So 2 could go into both 58 and 100 because 2 is even, right? 2 is even. So that's very important. So let's go ahead and reduce this. So let's go ahead and reduce it. So what number can go into 58 and 100? We could use what? We could divide by 2, and we could divide by 2. And let's go ahead and divide by 2. So we say what? We say 2 into, let's go ahead and do it. So we say 2 into what? 2 into 58.
Goes 29 times.
How many times does 5 go into, how many times does 2 go into 5?
2 times.
Twice, very good. 2 times 2 is what?
4.
4, very good. Good. And what is 5 minus 4?
1.
1, very good. Bring down the
8.
Bring down the 8, very good. How many times does 2 go into 18?
9 times.
9 times, very good. 2 times 9 is what?
18.
18, good. So we have 18 over 18 minus 18 minus
18 minus 18 gives you 0.
Very good. Good. So Seth, how many times does 50? So what is 58 divided by 2, Seth?
29.
29, very good. So we're gonna put 29, very good, over here. All over. All right, 100 divided by 2, Seth. What is 100 divided by 2?
100 divided by 2.
100 divided by 2.
50.
50, very good. So let's go ahead and divide it. So we say 2 into 100. 2 into 100. 2 goes into 10 how many times, class?
5 times.
5 times. 2 times 5 is?
10.
10, very good. Then we say 10 minus 10 is?
0.
0, very good. You bring down the?
0.
Bring down the 0. How many times does 2 go into 0?
0.
0 times 2 times 0 is 0 minus 0 minus 0 is 0. So the
0.
answer is what? 29 over
50.
50.
Mr. 50.
Uh-huh.
How did you get the 100?
Because it's 58%. So if you're trying to convert a percentage into a fraction, you always put it over 100.
Every percentage. So,
Every
I don't
percentage,
100.
every percentage out of 100. Does that make sense?
Yes, so.
Good. All right. Daniela, Madeline, sorry, do you understand this? How I got 58%?
Yes, sir.
Good. Joel and Gianna, do you all understand how I got 58%? I mean, how I get 29 over 50?
Yes, sir.
Good. Where's Skylar? Skylar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Well, turn on your camera. I don't see you.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Sorry.
And where's Kerrigan? Where's Kerrigan?
Yes, sir.
You need to turn on your camera as well. All right. All right. So do we understand how to do this? Let me know, please. If y'all understand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mr. Butsi, I joined late. You could please
Explain it again.
explain it again, please. Yes, sir.
All right. So we have 58%, right? So it's 58%. So we're going to say 58 over what? Over
100.
over 100. Very good. We put it over 100 because it's 58%. Every percent goes over 100. So it's going to be 58 over 100. The next thing that we do, what's her name? Skylar, is we reduce this fraction. So this fraction is 58 over 100. We have to reduce it. So we say 58 divided by 2, which gives us 29. 29. And 100 divided by 2, which gives us
50.
50. And that's how we change this percentage and we reduce it into a fraction. That makes sense?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
No problem. Next, we have to take 58% and change it into a decimal. So we have 58% and we have to change it into a decimal. So how are we gonna do that?
5.8.
Say it again.
5.8.
No.
58.0.
0.058.
Say it again, Seth.
0.058.
Very good. It's gonna be 0.58. It's gonna be 0.58. Now, some of you may be wondering, Mr. Petit, how did you get that? Well, it's easy.
Oh,
Because
I know.
if this is 58%, all you're basically doing is taking 58 and dividing it by 100, okay? And if you divide it by 100, all you're basically doing is moving the decimal point over twice. It's gonna be 1, 2, okay? So what ends up happening? It's gonna be what? 0.58, because you move the decimal point over twice, 1, 2. And so what ends up happening is we have, the answer is gonna be 0.58. Okay. Because why? We moved the decimal point over twice. So it's gonna be 1 and 2. All right. So what is 58% as a decimal, class? It's gonna be what?
0.58.
0.58. And what is 68 as a decimal? What's gonna be?
68.
0.68. All right. And what is 75% as a decimal? It's gonna be what?
0.75.
0.75. And what is 85% as a decimal?
0.85.
0.85. And what is 25% as a decimal?
0.25.
0.25. Very good. So Daniela, are you there, Daniela?
Yes, sir.
I have 35%. I want to write that as a decimal. What is 35% as a decimal? That's gonna be what?
0.35.
Very good, 0.35. Do we agree with her? That is 0.35?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, Mr. Petit,
Yes,
can I
sir.
please go get my ruler?
Yes, we can. And
Thank you.
Madeline, where's Madeline?
Yes, sir.
I have 18%. What is that as a decimal?
0.18.
0.18, very good. And Wyatt,
Yes, sir.
Wyatt, I have 26%. What is that as a decimal? Wyatt. What is 26% as a decimal, Wyatt?
26 as it is my
Wyatt, are you paying attention?
yes, sir.
So what is 26% as a decimal? If 58% as a decimal is 0.58, right? What is 26% as a decimal? Wyatt,
Yes, sir.
what do you know? If you don't know, just say you don't know. I can explain it to you.
I don't know.
You don't know. So 26% is gonna be 0.26%. I mean 0.26. All right. So if 58% is gonna be 0.58, 26% is gonna be 0.26. Let's try it another one. So Wyatt, what is gonna be what's gonna be 14% as a decimal? Wyatt.
0.14.
0.14, very good. And Skylar,
Yes, sir.
what is gonna be 15% out of it as a decimal?
0.15.
0.15, very good. All right, class, do we understand that? Let me know if y'all understand that.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Good. Good. Next. The next thing that we need to do is we need to put it as a ratio. All right. What is 58% as a ratio?
58.100.
Say
Is
it again.
it 29 to 50?
Say it again. Say it again,
Is
Najara.
it 29 ratio 50?
Very good.
The two dots?
Yes. So it's gonna be 29 to 50. Okay, so that's what it's gonna be.
I did this.
Did it before. Very good. What's her name?
We were just on ratios.
You mean Nicholas?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. This thing is not into this. All right, let me just use this then. So it's gonna be what? 29. 29 to what? 29 to what? To 50. All right, 29 to 50. Class, does this make sense? 29 to 50.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
29 to 100.
Say it again.
I thought it would have been 29 and 100.
No, remember you have to use this fraction right now. 29 over 50. So you use 29 to 50. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. Skylar, you understand how we got 29 to 50?
Yes, sir.
Wyatt, do you understand how you got 29 to 50?
Yes, sir.
Kaden, you understand how I got it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Miss Marshall, are you there? Are you?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Madeline, do you understand how I got 29 to 50?
Not really.
Not really. Miss Marshall explained how we got 29 to 50 for the ratio.
That came from the fraction when we simplified 58 over 100.
So basically, Madeline, where's Madeline? Madeline, you're all over the place. Are you good?
I can't hear, that's why.
You can't hear?
No, sir. Well, I could hear you, but it's just it's really low,
It's
even
really,
though my volume is on full.
how about now? Are the rest of
Yes,
you all,
sir, I can hear you.
you can hear now better?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are y'all experiencing the same audio problem, or it's just Madeline?
Well, when I first joined, it was low for me too,
Okay.
but I can hear now.
You can open your
Ears.
Oh no.
All right, Madeline. This is 58%, right? We took 58%, we put it as 58 over 100, and we divide by 2 in each case. So it's going to be 29 to 50. 29 over 50, right? That's the fraction because we reduced it. We have to use the same fraction as the ratio because a fraction is a ratio, to be honest. So we use 29 over 50, and that's going to be 29 to 50 as the ratio. So whatever your answer is for the fraction, just put it as in ratio form, and you'll get it. That makes sense?
Yes, sir, I get it now.
Good. Now let's go on to the next one. Did anyone do 9%?
Yes, I did it.
You did? Okay. Anyone else did 9%? 9%?
I did. I did them.
You did? Okay. So what is 9% as a fraction?
9 over 100.
9 over 100.
9 over
It's already in a simplified form.
9 over 100. Very good. 9 over 100.
But sometimes you do not need to simplify it. It's already
We-
in a similar form.
We do not need to simplify it. What do you mean? I don't
It
understand that.
can't go lower. It can't go lower.
There is no numbers that can both multiply 9 over 100 without leaving a remainder. All right.
Very good. I need to know where's Trinity, man. That's bothering me. Where's Trinity?
So yeah, I don't think she came.
I know she didn't come today, but all right, so it's 9 over 50. Okay. Sorry, 9 over 100. Can we simplify this further?
No, sir.
No,
No,
we,
sir.
no, we cannot simplify it any further. So 9 over 9. Okay, so we have a 9 over what? 9 over?
100.
9 over 100. Very good. All right, can we simplify this any further?
No, sir.
No, we can't. No, we can't. No, we can't. All right, so we have to change it into a decimal. What is 9% as a decimal?
0.9. Is it
0.9.
0.09?
0.9? What do you think it is? Okay, put your answers inside the chat. If you think it's 0.9, or if you think it's 0.09, or if you think it's 0.009, or if you think it's just 9. Put your answers inside the chat, please. What is 9% as a decimal? What is 9% as a decimal? Okay, what is 9% as a decimal? What is 9% as a decimal? Put your answer in the chat for me, please. What is 9% as a decimal? I'm not seeing Okay, Seth, what do you think it is?
0.9.
I think it's 0.9. Okay. Anyone else? Wyatt says 0.9 as well. Daniela says 0.9. Ms. Marshall, would you like to clarify this for us? Let me see. 9% as a decimal.
It is.
Uh,
Give me a second. I'm a little bit rusty.
okay.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah, 0.09.
0.09. That's what you're gonna go with.
Yeah.
All right, Ms. Marshall said 0.09, and that is correct. It is 0.09.
I knew it. I
It is
knew it.
0.09. All right. How do we get 0.09? You all have to remember.
It can't be that because like there's two numbers. If it's like 0.15,
There's only one number.
It's
there's
only
only
one
one
number.
number.
You move the decimal place twice. Oh, Seth, especially please pay attention. Where's Seth? Are you here? So basically, we have this point right there. We're moving it twice. 1, 2. We move it over twice. What's it gonna be? It's gonna be what? Put the point here, right? Put the 0 here, and put another 0 there. Okay. So it's gonna be what? 0 point what? 09. Very good. Members understand that. Let me know if you understand that, please.
I did.
0.09. 0.09. Very good. 0.09.
Elizabeth, let's see who got the correct answer first.
No competition today. You two like competition. Everyone is even today. Kaden high. Kaden high. Say it again. It is 5. Kaden, sit down, please. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Catch yourself. All right, next. We want to write the ratio. What is the ratio, class? What is the ratio?
9 to 100.
9 to 100.
9 to 100. Very good. 9 to 100. The ratio is 9 to 100.
9 to 100.
9 to 100. Okay. 9 to 100. And that's what we have here. Okay, next we have
25%.
25%. 25%. How do you write 25% as a fraction?
5 over 50.
No, as a fraction first. First off.
Oh,
25 over
25
100.
over 100.
25 over.
100.
Divide
That can
it.
be simplified.
You could divide it to make it smaller.
All right, let's just start with just the 25 over 100. So 25% written as a fraction is going to be what? 25 over
100.
25 over 100. Very good. 25 over 100. Okay. Can we simplify this any further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kaden, what could we use to simplify this further?
5.
You can
What could we
you can
use?
use 5. Use 5.
Use 5. Very good. So
I
5
have an X.
You can use 25.
You can use 25 as well.
Okay, all right. Smarties, smarty pantsies. So we're gonna use 5 first, right? So we say, Kaden, make sure your mic is muted. Carry again, what is 25 divided by 5?
5.
25 divided by 5 is 5, very good. And Skylar, what is 100 divided by 5? Let's go ahead and divide it, see. So 5.
What did you say, Mr. Pate?
Let's do 100 divided by 5. So 100 into 5. How many times does 5 go into 10, Skylar? Skylar, how many times does 5 go into 10? Or what number times 5 gives you 10?
Skylar said her mic isn't working in the chat.
Oh, her mic is not working. Oh, wow. Can you hear us? I don't know if you can hear us. Wyatt, how many times does 5 go into 10?
She said she can hear us.
Wyatt, how many times does 5 go into 10?
5 go in 10.
I can't hear you, Wyatt. How many times does 5 go into 10?
5 goes in 10 twice.
Very good. 5 times 2 is what?
10.
10, very good. 10 minus 10 is?
0.
0, 0. We bring down the?
0.
0. How many times does 5 go into 0?
0.
0 times, very good. 5 times 0 is? 0. So 0 minus 0 is going to be 0, 0, 0. So this is going to be 20, right? So 5 over 20. Okay. Next we have this is going to be what?
Excuse me.
Yes.
Can I get some water, please?
Yes, we can. All right, next what we have is we say 5 over 20. We say how many times does 5, is this reduced? Is this in the simplest form, 5 over 20? Is it in the simplest form as yet?
No, sir.
No, Seth, is it in the simplest form as yet? Where's Seth? Is it in the simplest form as yet? 5 over 20, is that in the simplest form, Seth? Or can it be reduced, some more?
I don't know.
Say it again?
I don't know.
You don't know? Class, you want to help him?
I think we should keep it like that because if we try to like simplify it even more, we would then have a numerator.
That's not true. Is there a number, Seth, that could go into 5 and 20? What number, Seth, can go into 5 and 20?
The number could go over 5 and 20. 5.
5, very good. So can this be reduced further?
No, sir.
Yes, it can. If you could find a number that could go into 5 and 20, it can be reduced further. That makes sense?
A little bit.
A little bit? What number can go into 5? 5 can go into itself, right? So, and then 20 can go into what? What number can go into 20? Say it again.
5.
Very good. So it's going to be what? What is 5 divided by 5? That's going to be what?
5 divided by 5 is 1.
Very good. And what is 20 divided by 5?
4.
4. Very good. All right, so the answer is 1 over 4. Do you understand that, Seth?
Yes, sir.
You need to write this down. You need to write this down. All right, so 1 over 1 is 1 over 4. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. Next, we have Skylar, you understand this? Where's Skylar? Do you understand how we got the 1 over 4? Where's Skylar? Skylar, do you understand how we got the 1 over 4?
He said yes, sir, in the chat.
Okay, here's what to do. Log out and come back in, Skylar, so we could hear your mic. Log out and come back in so we could hear the mic. All right, let's move on to the next one. What is 25% written as a decimal?
0.25.
0.25.
0.25.
5.
Seth, what is 25% written as a decimal?
0.25.
0.25. Very good. So it's going to be 0.25. Let me go back to my red. Let me go back to my red. Carrie, again, what is 25% written as a decimal?
0.25.
0.25 is going to be 0.25. And Wyatt, what is 25% written as a decimal?
0.25.
Very good, 0.25. Now, as a ratio, what's the ratio going to be? What is the ratio going to be?
1 and 4.
Madeline, what is the ratio going to be?
1 and 4.
We say 1 to 4 because of the sign. Say 1 to 4. All right. So it's gonna be 1 to 4. Okay, that's the ratio. 1 to 4. Daniela, where's Daniela?
Yes, sir.
What is 25% as a decimal?
0.2025.
Very good. What is the ratio of 25%?
1 to 4.
1 to 4. Very good. Where did we get the 1 to 4 from?
From the fraction.
From the fraction. Very good. From the fraction. Seth, do you understand this? Yes, Seth.
Yes, sir.
Good. All right, everyone, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to do that for me. Go ahead, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Do we understand how to do this so far? Do we understand how to do this? Let me know, please, if y'all understand how to do this.
Excuse me, Miss Patty, can I please go get my phone?
Yes, you can. My question still remains, do we understand how to do this, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So let me go ahead and continue with this. All right. That's what I don't see. I don't see legacy.
I sent you my work.
How about them? I'll be away. So let me go ahead and erase all this. All right. All right. All right. So again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Are we done with that? Let me know if y'all finished with that, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Skylar, can you hear me now? Can you speak now? Is your mic working now or it's still not gonna?
Yes, sir, it's working now.
Okay, that's good. All right, so what I want y'all to do, because I want us to do IXL for some time. Put your full name in the chat for me, please. Put your full name in the chat. So I could give you your IXL username and password. Again, put your full name in the chat. Again, put your full name in the chat. All right. So I'm gonna give you your username and password. And once I give you a username and password, then you have to log on to IXL. Okay. So
IXL.
Did we already use that before?
no, I have to give you another one because it was expired. Okay.
Oh, so that's why you always be giving us no passwords.
Yeah.
Mr. Potato, you have to download that.
No, you don't have to download IXL.
Okay.
Please put your name in lowercase. I don't need no uppercase letters. Lowercase names. So once I where's Kaden? Kaden, I already put your username and password in the chat. So just go on IXL and sign in.
Yes, sir.
The next person is Skylar.
Are you gonna send a new link?
I'm gonna send a link for the quiz, but just sign in for now. Skylar, yours is next. I put your username and password in the chat.
The top is the username and the bottom is the password.
That's correct. Wait a minute. Okay, next person is Seth. Seth, if you look carefully in the chat, I have your username and your password. So you go into IXL and sign in, please. Where's Seth? Okay, next person is gonna be Wyatt Thompson. It's another Thompson. Wyatt.
Mr. Potato, what's the name of the website?
IXL.com. IXL.com.
Okay, thank you.
Just type in IXL.com. Once you type in that in, then they're gonna give you opportunity to sign in. Sign into
You
that.
said X or L?
IXL.com.
Okay.
IXL.com. Please write down your username. Write down your username and password because I don't want to have to give this to you again. So again, write down your username and password. Wyatt, I put your username and password in the chat. Go into IXL and sign in. Next person is Madeline. All right. Where's Madeline? Madeline, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Go to IXL.com. I put your username and password in the chat. All right. Next person is, after Madeline, is Daniela Johnson. Daniela Johnson, where's Daniela Johnson? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I put your username and password in the chat. Go to IXL.com and sign in. Understand me? Next person is Najara. Najara, you're at Campbell.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Campbell.
Hey, how do we sign into ISL again?
You have to go to IXL.com and you can see the sign in place. It's right there.
The sign in place?
Yeah,
The
it's
one say sign into ISL?
yeah, right there.
Yes, sir.
Najara, you should be next. You should have a username and password. Go to IXL and sign in.
Thank you.
And who else? Joel and Gianna, y'all using separate accounts or y'all using the same account? I don't understand.
It's the same thing.
Y'all understand? Yeah, y'all. So I only need to put Joel on. All right, Joel and Gianna, y'all could go and sign into Excel. Who's next? Kerrigan.
Mr. Petit, I didn't get mine.
You didn't get yours?
No, sir.
Yeah, because your name is all the way down. Okay, I reached your name right now. Maya.
Excuse me, Miss Petite.
Uh-huh.
Did you send the link because I got disconnected?
Did you see your username and password?
Yes, sir. When I went on, it was already there.
You have to put in a new username and password, Kaden. You have to put in a new username and password. That's why I'm
Can you
giving you.
send it back? I disconnected.
Please write down your username and password. Make sure write down your username and password. It's not fun typing them over and over and over again. Write down your username and password. Write it down. All right. All right. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put the link inside the chat. This link is gonna be for your for the quiz. All right, I'm gonna put the link in the chat.
Excuse me, I didn't get mine.
Yes, you did. It's right there in the chat. Look in the chat. Kerrigan. Look carefully. Wait a minute. Kerrigan. Yours is after
I signed in.
you sign in. Yeah, Kerrigan, you're right. Let me send yours. That's the link. Please use that link. Again, please use that link. Again, please use that link. Kaden Kwan.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Uh-huh.
It says my username is incorrect.
What did you put for your username and password? Make sure you put it
I was
exact.
confused on which one was supposed to go first.
The first one is the username, the second one is the password. Okay. The first one is the username, the second one is the password.
I put the first one as the username. It says incorrect.
Retype it and put the right thing in. Retype it and put the right thing in, Madeline. All right, Kerrigan, do you see a username and password in the chat?
It all together, right?
The first
Oh,
one
no.
is username, the second one is your password.
So I see it.
I need everyone to go on that link that I sent. Okay. I see Najar is the only one who was on the link. The rest of us, why we're not on the link yet?
You didn't send me mine yet.
I sent you yours yet, Maya? You sure? Madeline, Seth. What? Like I already did mine.
Yeah, Miss Petite, did you see mine? I joined.
You joined? Did you go on the link?
Yes, sir.
Wait 1 second. All right, Maya, you see yours?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, go on the link and go to that first IXL quiz. Okay, so I see Najara, Seth, and Skylar on. The rest of us, I do not see us on. So Daniela, where's Daniela? Daniela, can you hear me?
Sir,
So why am I unable to see you?
I don't know. I'm still logging in.
Do you know how to sign in on IXL?
Yes, sir.
So what does your screen say now? What does your screen say now? Daniela, I need to know what your screen says so I could know how to guide you.
It says reconnect.
Like, what does your IXL thing says? Have you signed in as yet?
I'm still putting in my username.
Okay, so put in your username and password. Good. All right. Wyatt, how come I don't see you as yet? Wyatt.
I start.
You start. You haven't. Why? You have to use the new username and password. If you don't use that new username and password, even though you start, it won't show on my side. You have to use your new username and password.
I lose that.
No, it's not on. I don't see you. I could see Seth. Oh, I could see yours now. Never mind. Okay. Oh, I see Kaden. So I see Kaden, I see Wyatt, I see Skylar, I see Najara. I see Seth. I do not see Madeline. Madeline, what happened? How come I don't see you?
I put in the username and passcode you gave me, but it keeps on saying username or passcode incorrect.
All right, let me see what you put.
I'm finished.
All right, take a screenshot and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Yes, sir. I got 100.
Yes, that's fine. Very good. Let me refresh this. Madeline,
Yes, sir.
what is your password? Sorry, what is your username?
I sent it to you, Miss Petite.
No problem. Madeline, what is your username?
Is it the one on the top or the bottom? Because I put both of them on either side and it still says it's incorrect.
All right, the top one that I have in the chat, that's your username. Please do it just like that, just exactly like I would have. And then the bottom 125 sign is your password. No capital letter, none of that stuff. Right? That's the username on top, the password at the bottom. Understand that? Madeline?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Miss Petite, did you see mine?
I'm gonna send you the next one right now. I do the second one, Najara.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I see Joel, Maya, Kaden, Najara, Kerrigan, Skylar, Wyatt, and Seth. I do not see Daniela. Daniela, why are you not on as yet?
I'm on, but it sent me somewhere else.
What do you mean it sent you somewhere else? All right, you already logged in?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now go in the chat and click on that quiz. You can see the quiz link. Go in the chat and click on that.
I don't have a chat.
You have a chat. The same place where you saw the same place where you saw your username and password, that's the chat. Let me resend it to you. I'm gonna resend it to you, Daniela. Okay. Do you see the link now in your chat?
Yes, sir.
Click on that link and begin the quiz. Seth, why are we getting things wrong? Where's Seth?
Yes, sir.
Why are we getting things wrong? Why are we getting things wrong?
I don't know why you get things wrong.
Do you know how to do it?
Pardon me?
Where are you? Turn your camera. All right, do you know how to do it?
Yes, sir. My score was 58, but I lost it.
Yeah, I noticed. We keep on going down. So, all right. So, what's the next question? What's the next question that you have now? What they're asking you?
My next question.
What they're asking you to do?
It showed me a blank screen now.
Refresh the bridge.
I still see a blank. Oh, never mind. 4/6.
4/6. How are you gonna reduce that fraction? 4/6. How are you gonna reduce it? What number?
1/3.
Say it again.
1/3.
Why you say 1/3?
Because 4 divided by 1 is.
What number goes in the 4 and 6?
Pardon me?
What number goes in the 4 and 6 without leaving a remainder?
2.
2. Very good. What is 4 divided by 2?
4 divided by 2.
What is 4 divided by 2?
2.
Good. And what is 6 divided by 2?
6 divided by 2. 3.
3. So it's gonna be, what's the answer gonna be now?
2/3.
Say it again.
2/3.
2/3. Not 1/3. 2/3. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So you have to find a number. You have to find a number that goes into both 4 and 6 without leaving remainder. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Good.
I'm finished. I sent the next one to you. I got 100.
Yes, no problem, Najara. Just next time, if I'm speaking with a student, Najara, just wait until I finish.
Yes, sir.
Wyatt, have you done the second one? I sent you the second one, Wyatt.
I doing the second one right now.
Okay, good.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. I'm finished the first one.
Finish with the first one. All right, for those of you who are finished with the first one, I'm going to put the second one in the chat for everyone to try. Okay, this is the second one. This is quiz 2. Quiz.
Is there any third for me?
There is. This is quiz 2 and then quiz 3. Quiz 3.
Thank you.
And then Quiz 4. So quiz 2, quiz 3, quiz 4. All right, let me check the live chat. Seth, what is your smart score?
67.
67. Okay. Very good, Maya, 88. Very good, Madeline, 83. Very good, Skyla, 68. Very good, Kaden, 55. Very good, Najara, 55. Very good, Daniela, 8. Very good, Seth, 70. Seth, why are you getting those things wrong? Why are you getting them wrong? Hello?
Excuse me, substitute on the first. Excuse me, substitute on the first one. I got 100%.
Did you take a screenshot and send it to me?
Oh, I didn't delete it. That
You have
I
to
didn't
take,
took that off. Cause
you have to take a screenshot and send
yeah,
it to me,
it said
okay? You understand? Seth, you have to find a number that goes into both of them. Kerrigan, do you understand how to do this? Where's Kerrigan? Kerrigan,
Yes, sir.
do you understand how to do this?
Yes, sir.
I don't think so because this is you keep on getting them wrong.
yeah, substitute. It says I got 100. I can't find it no more. But it says my smart score for the first one was 100%. I think it means my the one I'm doing now. The one I'm doing now, I'm on 55%.
All right. All right. All right. I don't think Seth know what he's doing. Let me see. 38 questions. What are you getting wrong, bro? 3/6, 1/2. What did he write? 3/2. Jesus. Where's Seth? Where's Seth?
Yes, sir.
Why are you getting these wrong? These is too easy for you to be getting wrong.
Obviously, you don't understand it. And I told you, if you don't understand it, tell me. Yeah.
Okay.
Really?
All right.
Huh?
All right. Go ahead. What's your question that you have now? Seth, the question you want now? What the question say?
The question?
Yeah, what the question says. Yeah.
The question says 2/4.
2/4. Okay, good. How are we gonna simplify this?
1/2.
1/2. Why you say 1/2?
Because 2 divided by 2 is 1.
Mm-hmm.
And 4 divided by 2. No, 4 divided by 2 is 2.
Very good. So 2 over 4 is what?
2 over 4 is 1 over 2.
1 over 2. Very good.
And that is actually 6 over 8.
Say it again.
6 over 8.
Okay. 6 over 8. Okay, what you have for 6 over 8? How could you simplify that?
3 over 4.
What number are you going to use to simplify it?
3.
3 can go into 6 and 8. What number could go into? What number we could go into 6 and 8 without leaving a remainder? Think about it. What number go into 6 and 8 without leaving a remainder?
4.
Hmm? No. What number could go into 6 and 8? Because 4 can go into 6.
2.
2. 6 divided by 2 is what?
6 divided by 2 is 4. No, 3.
3. Very good. And 8 divided by 2 is what?
4.
4. Very good. So it's going to be 3 over
4.
3 over 4. Good. Next, what's the next question?
Last question is 7 over 6. No, 4 over 6.
4 over 6. Okay, so 4 over 6. What number go into 4 and 6 without leaving a remainder? Say it again.
2.
2. Very good. What is 4 divided by 2?
2.
2. And what is 6 divided by 2?
3.
3. So it's the answer.
2 over 3.
Good. Next.
3 over 8.
Say it again.
3 over 8.
3 over 8. Can 3 over 8 be simplified any further?
Pardon me?
Can 3 over 8 be simplified any further?
No, sir.
Why you say that? Why do you say that?
Wait, never mind. It could be simplified by 2.
Can 2 go into 3?
No, sir.
No. So that's the key right there, Seth. You have to look at the 2 numbers. You have to find a number that goes in all 2 of them, right? There's no number that could go into 3 and 8 together. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what does that mean? That means it's already in its simplest form, right? So that means you just have to write 3 over 8 because it cannot be simplified any further. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Good. So write 3 over 8. Okay, what's the next question?
4 over 8.
4 over 8, can that be simplified further?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what number goes into 4 and 4 over 8?
2.
4 and 8, 2. 4 divided by 2 is what?
2.
2. Very good. And 8 divided by 2 is what?
4.
4. Can this be simplified any further?
No, sir.
Say it again.
No, sir.
Think. Is there a number that could go into 2 and 4?
2.
2, very good. Skylar, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Kaden, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Najara, take a picture of your work and send it to me via. Very good. So, what number could go into 2 and 4 without a remainder?
2.
2, very good. What is 2? What is 2 divided by 2?
1.
1, very good. And what is 4 divided by 2?
4 divided by 2 is 2.
Good. So what's the answer?
1 over 2.
Good. What else? What's the next number? What's the next one?
2 over 6.
2 over 6. What number could go into 2 and 6 without leaving a remainder?
2.
2. Say 2 over 6, right?
Yes, sir. 2 over 6.
What? Simplify this for me.
2 over 3.
Why are you saying 2 over 3?
Pay attention. Simplify it. 2 could go into 2 how much times?
Exactly. How many times does 2 go into 2?
1.
Say it again.
1.
1. Very good. What is 6 divided by 2?
3.
3. So it's the answer.
1 over 3.
1 over 3. Good. What's the next question?
3 over 6.
3 over 6. How could you simplify that?
1 over 3.
No, first tell me what number that you're using.
3.
Okay. And tell me how you're going to do it.
3 divided by 1. No, 3 divided by 3.
Is what?
1.
And 6 divided by 3 is what?
2.
2.
1. Yeah, 2.
6 divided by 3 is what?
2.
So what's the answer?
1 over 2.
1 over 2. So put that in. What's the next question? What's the next question?
1 over 2.
1 over 2. Can that be simplified?
No.
Say it again.
No. No.
Good. So leave it as is. 1 over 2.
Yes, sir.
Next, what we have?
1 over 8.
1 over 8. Can that be simplified further? Skylar, have you gone in the second question?
Pardon me?
You gone in the second quiz?
Not as yet.
You have to go to the second quiz, Skylar.
Yes, sir.
You have 1 over 8. Can that be simplified any further, Seth?
No, sir.
Okay, so what's the answer?
1 over 8.
Good. What else?
2 over 3.
2 over 3. Can that be simplified further?
Yes, sir.
2 over 3. Can you simplify that any further?
No, sir.
No. So put 2 over 3.
Put 2 over 3, right?
2 over 3. What's the next one?
4 over 6.
Can you simplify that further? 4 over 6. Can you simplify that?
Yes, sir.
What number you could use?
2.
Okay. 4 divided by 2 is what?
2.
2. And 6 divided by 2 is what?
6 divided by 2 is 3.
3. Very good. So it's going to be 2 over what?
3.
Good. Next, what do we have?
1 over 6.
Can that be simplified?
No, sir.
Okay, so you're just going to put what? 1 over.
Okay.
Good. Next, what you have?
2 over 4.
Say it again.
2 over 4.
Can that be simplified?
No, sir.
2 over 4. Can that be simplified?
Yes, sir.
What number can go into 2 and 4?
2.
2 divided by 2 is what?
1.
1. And 4 divided by 2 is what?
2.
2. So it's 1 over.
2.
Good. What's the next one?
1 over 4.
1 over 4. Can that be simplified?
No, sir.
No. So you're going to put what?
1 over 4.
1 over 4. Okay, you finish?
Yes, sir.
All right, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. And then you do the next quiz that's inside the chat. The rest of us, how are we looking? How are you?
Mr. But did you check my quiz too? I sent it and I got 100%.
Very good. Anyone else finish? Did anyone else finish that quiz?
Mr. T, I was crazy how I got 100% on both. I mean, I do some class every day, but still.
That's excellent. Anyone else finish their quiz? Did anyone else finish their quiz while I was talking to Seth?
I finished 2.
You
I'm on
finished
the
2?
fourth
I
one. and
finished
scored
1.
You
95.
finished 1. Very good. Say it again, Najara.
I'm on the fourth one. My smart score is 95.
You're in the 4th one. Very good, Najara.
Yes.
That's excellent. Seth, do you see the second quiz in the chat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I need you to do the second quiz for me.
Yes, sir.
Good.
See, I was only able to finish 3. I'm gonna do the third one now.
Yeah, finish the third one. Daniela, where's Daniela?
Yes, sir.
What number are you on? Madeline, stop talking to yourself. What does your question? What does your question say?
It says 2/6.
2/6. Can you simplify this further?
No, sir.
Okay, so every time you're doing this question, you ask yourself, what number can go into 2 and 6 without leaving a remainder? That's the question that they're asking you. So think about it. Is there any number that can go into 2 and 6? Do you know a number that could go into 2 and 6?
5.
No, it has to be able to go into 2 and 6. So what number you could divide by 2 and divide by 6, and you'll have no remainder.
10.
No, 10 is too big. 10 is too big.
6.
Finish.
Najara, you finish?
Yeah, so I got 100.
Very good. You can leave, Najara.
Thank you.
Very good. You have 2 could go into 2 and 6. So 2 divided by 2. Okay. And 6 divided by 2. Why, Daniela? The reason is, where's Daniela?
Because they could go into each other.
Because both of them could go into 2. All right. So what is 2 divided by 2? That's gonna be what?
1.
1, very good. And what is 6 divided by 2?
3.
3. So the answer is 1/3. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
So put 1/3. Okay, what's the next question?
6/8.
6/8. What number can go into 6 and 8 without leaving a remainder? Since both of them are even, you could use 2 again because both of these numbers are even. All right. So let's use 2 again. What is 6 divided by 2?
6 divided by 2.
How many times does 6 go into 2? What is 6 divided by 2?
2.
No, 6 divided by 2. Is what?
3.
3,
3.
very 3. And what is 8 divided by 2?
4.
4, very good. So the answer is 3 over
4.
3 over 4. Put that in. What's the next question?
2 over 3.
2 over 3. Is this in simplest form already?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is. Because there's no number that can go into both 2 and 3 without leaving a remainder. Okay? Understand me?
Yes, sir.
So 2 over 3 is already in the simplest form. All right. So put 2 over 3 back again. Kaden, how come you ain't finished the rest?
I don't know.
Kaden, where's Kaden?
All right.
Do you see the other quiz?
I see it.
I need you to start that other quiz. All right, what's the next question, Daniela?
5 over 8.
5 over 8. Can that be simplified further? 5 over 8.
No, sir.
Why you say 5 over 8 can't be simplified further?
Because there's no lower factor.
No, there's no, it can't be factors smaller. So 5 over 8 is your answer. Okay. All right, it's 5:59. So I want you all to do is stop wherever you are. We'll pick up on this tomorrow, but stop wherever you are. Take a screenshot of your smart score for now and send it to me, and then we could finish this tomorrow. All right. But have a wonderful evening, everyone. I'll see you all on tomorrow. By God's grace. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Sweetie.
All right, take care.